Grandpa Ken, your friend. I've got another quick book for you that really fits in with the holidays. It was one of my favorites as a little kiddo, and I think this quick version of it you might like. I'm going to read it, so everybody get comfy, because it's one that goes fast, but you'll like it. It's going to teach you how to make a gingerbread boy. Have you ever made a gingerbread boy or girl, kiddos? I'm not sure how you would tell the difference. First of all, of course, you have to have some gingerbread, which is dough, and you'll have to ask your grown-up or a cook for that one. Grandpa Ken's a reader, not a cooker, but I am a reader, and I like to eat gingerbread cookies. I don't know about you, but anyways, you get gingerbread and put it in a bowl, mix it all up like you make any other cookies, except when you get it all cut out with a cookie cutter of a gingerbread. And I'll bet you one of your grown-ups has that. You put it on a tin, and you put on 2 eyes. See? Put on the 2 eyes. Then what do you think they put on, kiddos? Huh? I think they put on, see? Look at the nose and the mouth. Yeah, you gotta have a nose and a mouth for a person like the gingerbread boy. Then, you know what you could do? You could put on 4 little buttons. They're normally little candy buttons. You don't really put on buttons on a gingerbread if you're going to eat them. Then, the fun thing is, you add 2 ears, see? See how she added 2 ears? So now it's a gingerbread man everybody would recognize. And then you look at him and you love him and you're so proud of him. And you know what happens in the story of the gingerbread man? He gets up and runs away because he doesn't want to be eaten. That would be terrible, but funny. See? Can you imagine our cookie getting up and running off of the plate because he didn't want to get you to eat him? That would be weird, kiddos. Listen, Grandpa loves some funny stuff at Christmas time, too. So make sure you come back. We got a lot more Christmas books going up, and even got a Hanukkah book because I like to explain that, too. So y'all come back. Grandpa misses you when you're not here.